It's a little bit hot today, ain't it?
Yeah, a little bit. I wore shorts. I guess we're gonna run up to the farm this weekend.
That's what I heard. I heard that from Summer. All right. I wanted to give a little bit of director's commentary on this video. I used to film things all the time as a kid, and just recently decided to get back into it. I think last year I bought a GoPro, and what I'm filming on, and what this video is filmed on, is a GoPro Hero 7 Silver. It's kind of a cheaper version of the GoPros. There's all kinds, but decided on that one just based on the price. And just kind of wanted to give it a try. Which I love my GoPro. I actually recommend it. I'm thinking about buying another one. There are different features when you go to buy them. Like some of them have the interchangeable batteries. Like you can switch out the batteries, and you can shoot at higher frame rates, so you can do like slow-mo videos and different things like that. But one of the definite cons of shooting with a GoPro, especially with videos like this, is when you're driving up like an extremely steep mountain, it won't translate well. Like it'll look like it's absolutely nothing on the GoPro from at least how I film, which currently, if you're wondering how I'm filming this, the GoPro is just fastened to a hat bill, and it's something that I've made up to just go on top of the hat. There are different things you can buy that you can, like a head strap and all kinds of different mounts if you want them. But this was just like fastened to a hat bill with like some office supplies. Very, very redneck. Also, I wanted to talk about the four-wheeler I'm riding on. I'm riding on a 1997 Kawasaki Prairie 400. We've had it since 1997. That thing has been one hell of a machine. It's been well taken care of, as you can tell. I mean, it pretty much still looks new. So, but I have had some problems with it recently.
I think something's wrong with her. I checked this morning, and there was water in the exhaust.
I may try to make a video on that. I know there's a lot of mechanical repair videos out there on YouTube that I love because they really help me out. It's great to see what you're looking at on a project before you even dive into it. Anyway, this video was shot earlier this year, back in June 1st or June 2nd. I'm not sure exactly of the date, but around that time. I actually didn't have a computer at the time, so I wasn't able to edit and put all this footage together. I'm currently also trying to teach myself video editing. I'm using a program called DaVinci Resolve, which has a very steep learning curve, for me at least. It can do a lot of amazing things, but figuring out how to get those things done is quite difficult. Anyway, let's get back to the video, and I'll speed this up, and hopefully we can find some more interesting footage than me just traveling through the woods. You know where you're at now?
Where you blew up Philip's truck in that tiny little mud hole now? That ain't nothing now. Alright.
You can get to the T-table that way. You gotta go up the pipeline.
Last time I was out there,
They made a path. You don't have to go straight up the pipeline, but they've made a path around it.
no, but that path's pretty fucked up last time I was out here. This way is probably the best way now. But I did go out that way, and it gets pretty sideways, you know what I mean? All right.
come back with a little more commentary. Hope you guys are enjoying this. I just kind of want to give an explanation for what we're doing. It's recording your voice is definitely difficult. I've had to take out a lot of ums and ahs and really figure out what I wanted to say. I thought I could just, get on here and ramble, but that doesn't always work out that well. It's very difficult to do. Also, I wanted to touch on, if you're thinking about getting a GoPro, I've noticed that the original GoPro footage looks great. It is like true 4K. And when you go to upload it to YouTube, share with your friends or whatever, you lose a lot of quality. And I'm currently working on trying to figure out better ways to upload to YouTube, but I don't know if I'll ever get that quality back. I don't think it'll ever look as good as it does when you take it straight from the GoPro. It's uploading it that's the problem, and it might just be a thing to save space, because honestly I don't know how YouTube does it. They have video servers all over the world, and I think when you post this video, it goes on those different servers all over the world. I honestly don't know how they store that much video. Anyway, we'll keep moving along. We're probably about halfway to the Devil's Tea Table.
They've cleared it with a dozer. Hey, remember I got my car right here. They've been working on that road.
We are currently climbing up what used to be a pretty nasty hill that leads up to the top of the Devil's Tea Table. This road has been cleared by a dozer. There is a gas pipeline at the top, as you'll see as we're going past it. If you see some pipes sticking out of the ground, that's what that's for. It's for gas pipelines. A lot of these back roads are maintained by the gas company just to get up to the wells, and we love to ride on it. Right here on the left, that's a gas pipeline. Every now and then the maintenance guys need to come up. They often ride a four-wheeler, or they'll have their own truck, and they have to cut the grass and do some general maintenance. Always had a lot of fun riding around in the West Virginia woods. Been doing it since I was a kid. Four-wheeling can be dangerous, but if you do it right and you're careful, I don't think there's anything to worry about. There's definitely, not that many animals in the woods to worry about. We have some black bear and some deer and a few snakes, but nothing too dangerous, as long as you don't run into anybody mean.
What the hell you think you're doing?
I guess. It looks like I can get through the middle. Ah, yeah.
If you're wondering why I don't use music in these YouTube videos, it's because there is some kind of like copyright strike or something you can receive. As for the little clips that I've used from movies and stuff, I think you can use little clips as long as they're under like 5 seconds or something.
A little bit high on this side over here.
Anyway, that's it for this video. Hopefully I'll have time to make some more in the future.
Yeah, look.